Hello guys, if you're on crutches and you're having problems going upstairs the steps, I'm gonna show you today how to go upstairs to the second floor. I know a lot of people are starting to use crutches in the beginning, they have issues, so let me give you an idea how to use the crutches to go upstairs. So put your crutches down and put one foot up and lift yourself up and the other foot down, and then move your crutches up, one foot up, put your weight on it and lift your crutches up. One foot up, the other foot up, crutches back onto the step. Again, one foot up, second foot up, crutches. Okay, yeah. Be careful though when you're going, you may need a little bit more experience, but this is how I learned. So one foot up, second foot up on the step, and then bring the crutches up. One foot up, second foot up, bring the crutches up. So be very careful. You're gonna have problems in the beginning, but slowly with experience, you should be able to do it by yourself, and you don't need any assistance from anybody. There you go. You can see there's maybe about 30 steps, and I just came upstairs.